Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you, and today we are going to be doing this look, which is the ultra black smoky eye using the Badda black base by Plouise, which is supposed to be the new thing. Let's get started. Please, before you see the next clip, trust the process because I look like a zombie, like foundation on and pure black eyes. Let's see if this is truly black and if it helps the smoky eye shadow game that we all want. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be a wee bit confused. I haven't used this base before, and normally I always put the base on my eye, so yeah, I'm confused. Don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. But first, what I do know is I'm doing these eyebrows. So taking the medium brown Brow This Way palette and just going around and filling in these brows. They're a bit worse for wear, like, you know, I really should have waxed these, but yeah, be fine. Don't judge them. Still take the Plouise base, it's in shade 2, and take the tiniest little bit and just carve out my eyebrows with that to cover up these non-waxed eyebrows, clearly. Okay, so now we are ready for this black. I look super white. Why do I always look so white? I really should put on some tan or something for these videos. Nah. Right, now the Badda black. I'm excited and nervous to use this as I have not used this before. I'm kind of a wee bit freaking out about it, you know? Okay. So I'm taking the SK05 to put this on, and I'm just going to pat that on around the lid. And remember, it is a base, so you do have to use the same motion, the patting on. So this black actually looks grey, even though I am patting it in. It is looking rather grey, to be honest. Now, I normally do take a fluffy brush and go over this, but because it is the base, I am just going to use a flat brush today. And taking the Lash Beauty palette 35E and just going in with the black out of that. And patting that all over where I've just done the base. The Masquerade Palette and going in with this little brown. Just gently going around the edges. And whenever you have went around all the edges with the darker brown, I'm just going to go in to the lighter brown and go around the dark brown edges. I'm going to go back in with the brown and just add a bit more colour in there, just because we did lose some of it to that lighter brown. I do still have some of the base left over, so I'm just going to take a wee bit of that and actually put it underneath and see how this goes. I will probably end up looking like I have a black eye, but yeah, we'll see. I'm taking that black eyeshadow again just to set it. That looks scary as hell. So far away. Like, yeah. But trust me, whenever this eye goes on and then we do the foundation, I'll look gorgeous, okay? Next I am taking the Loreal True Match in Golden Beige and getting some foundation on so I stop looking so goddamn white. And this is where the eye look will really start to look less black. So just putting that foundation all around my face and blending it up into the eyeshadow, not over it like I just done. Then taking the Rcma No Colour powder, I'm just going to powder all around my face to set everything in place. All around my face to set it in place. Rhyming now. Yeah. Then for lips, I'm going to take the Rcma Nude lip liner and just line out my lips. And then taking the Freedom Pro Melt lip gloss in Naked. And now I'm going to take the Hoola Benefit bronzer. So just pat that bronzer into place to give you the contour kind of effect. Just pat it, and then blend up. For my bronzer, I'm using the MAC Give Me Sun. And as usual, just going all around the outer edge of my face. I'm using the Ofra Nikki Tutorials collab highlighter, which is Space Baby. It is so bright that you can't even see it on this camera. Yeah, I've never used this before, so let's see. Oh, it literally looks like a bluey kind of purpley color. And I'm honestly taking the tiniest little bit, and it's just there, like wow. I'm done. This is the tutorial done for the Badda Black base. It does intensify your eye looks. You know, you don't need to use as much eyeshadow whenever you are using this. Like, you can get this look without this, but you just are going to be using a wee bit more eyeshadow than usual. And it was easier to work with than the pots of black eyeliner or anything like that. It is a lot easier to use, so that is something to look out for. Yeah, and that highlighter, I'm sorry, this is supposed to be about this Badda Black, but that highlighter is something else. Like, it's so pretty. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, then please go like and subscribe and comment down below what you would like to see next. Yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye! My hand licks. Hey everyone, why do I look so weird? I'm still singing Christmas songs. Why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you don't know who I am, well now you do. Okay, that is not my intro. Plouise Badda Black eyeshadow. No,